Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how you can fix when the animation of your Rapid on Spotify is not functional, is not works. So the only thing you need to do to fix that problem is go to the Play Store. And you need to know here in the Play Store app, you may be here in that blue button where it said abrir. This is open in English. In that button, maybe you had a button for update. So you need to update to the last version of Spotify to, fix that problem. So this is the solution. The only thing you need to do is go to Spotify, and in the most cases, you need to upload that actualization. You need to put the application of Spotify to the ultimate version. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.